Sunday, January 20, 2019. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1998 Volvo S70 project. Those of you who have been following along know that I actually have a bit of a fire under me to replace my wife's 98 V70 wagon, which I've featured on and off on the channel here for 5 years, but the engine is pretty much shot at this point. It's just worn out. Cylinder 5 just really isn't even firing. So, although I was confident I could get the this wagon done, this is the 98 V70 GLT project. Just for safety, I wanted another car. So I got this off of Facebook Marketplace again, another silver 98. This one's a sedan, obviously. I picked this up a little over a week ago, and you can see it's getting snowed on right now. Needs a few things. Needs a heater core, needs some brake and or suspension work, and probably rear cam seals. I think, and it also needed a fuel pump relay, but I put a spare I had in, and it seems to be working okay now. So yeah, this is mostly cleanup, tune-up, a few maintenance items. I'm not gonna do absolutely everything on the car yet. Really, just the basics to get this car on the road. But I'm gonna get to this as soon as I am done with my 98 V70 GLT project, which hopefully will be today, if not in a couple of days from now. So this is Mercedes Diesel Guy. Stay tuned for more on this project.